What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the depth first search algorithm video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the graphical explanation of depth first search. There's no code along with this video because I just want you to have the idea of how it works. In this video, we're going to be going through ABC order, and we're going to be starting right here at 0. So this will be good for if you're taking an exam and you need to study or something. But we're going to go ahead and start here at 0, and we're going to go to the next node, the next depth, which is B. Okay, we don't go to P, we don't go to C because it's ABC order. We go to B. That's number 2. Okay, then from B we go to the next node. What is that? We have E, K, and F. Well, E is the first one that comes in the alphabet, so we're going to go here, 3. Now from E, where do we go? We can't go anywhere, so we have to backtrack. So this will end this node at 4. We'll backtrack at 4. Now we come back to B. Now do we go to K or do we go to F? We go to F because F is before K in ABC. So this will be marked as 5. Come here at 5. Then we have to go to G next because that's the only next node. And this will be 6. And do we go to H or N? We go to H because H is before N, and we'll go here at 7, and then we can go from M or N. We go to M next because L, M, N, so M is first, so we'll be here at 8. Okay, do we go to C or do we go to N? We have to go to C first because C is before N, so we're going to go here at 9. And we can't go back. We've already been to the start node, so we can't go back, or we can't go this way, so we're going to end it here at 10, and then we're going to go back to M. Now have we finished all nodes for M? No, we need to go to N, so we go here at 11. And have we gone to all nodes already in N? We've gone to 0, we've gone to G, H, so we can end this node at 12. Now we go back. Have we gone through all nodes for M? Yes, so we can end this node at 13, and we go back. Have we gone to all neighbors of H? Yes, so we can end this node at 14, and we go back. Have we finished all the G's neighbors? Yes, we go back with 15, and we go back again to F. That would be 16. We go back to B. Have we visited all of B's neighbors? No. So we have to go to K, so this is the last one, and that will be the visited node at 17. Then we go to Q because it's the only node that we can go to, which is 18. Now we can go to W or we can go to P. Well, P is before W, so we go here at 19, and then we go to W, which would be 20. And we've gone to all neighbors of W, so we can end that node at 21, and then we go back to P. We can end this node at 22. Then we could go back to Q, end this node at 23. Go back to K, which would be 24. Go back to B, which would be 25. And we've finished all of B's neighbors, so we can go back to our start node, and we'll end here at 26. So this was depth first search, and as you can see, it goes deeper and deeper and deeper from each node until it visits all of the nodes and then backtracks. So if you learned something new, like the video, comment something you know about depth first search, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.